Welcome to Automax, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels, from high-performance superbikes to cutting-edge innovations redefining the motorcycling world. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at a machine that sits at the very top of the hyperbike hierarchy, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This isn't just another motorcycle, it's a technological marvel, a statement of engineering dominance, and a symbol of raw, unfiltered power. The Ninja H2R has always represented the pinnacle of Kawasaki's performance engineering, a track-only monster that shatters speed records and defies physics. In its 2026 iteration, Kawasaki has taken everything we thought we knew about superbikes and rewritten the rules once again. With updated aerodynamics, an evolved supercharged power plant, and a fusion of artificial intelligence-driven control systems, the new H2R isn't just faster, it's smarter, sharper, and even more untamed. This machine is not meant for the faint-hearted, it's for those who crave the impossible, those who chase the horizon with fearless ambition. In this full breakdown, we'll explore the legacy of the Ninja H2R, its design and aesthetics, engine and performance, technology and features, riding experience, pricing, and close with final thoughts on why the 2026 H2R continues to be the undisputed king of the superbike world. The legacy of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R lineage began as a bold experiment, a desire by Kawasaki Heavy Industries to showcase the full extent of its multi-division engineering capabilities. When the first H2R debuted in 2015, it wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a declaration that Kawasaki could build the most powerful production motorcycle in the world, combining aerospace engineering, turbine technology, and decades of racing heritage. Its supercharged engine redefined what internal combustion could achieve, and its carbon fiber-clad body looked like it had been pulled straight from a futuristic racetrack. Over the years, the H2R evolved with subtle updates, each iteration refining its aerodynamics, electronics, and chassis dynamics. But as emission norms tightened and the motorcycle industry moved toward hybrid and electric solutions, many wondered if the H2R would fade into legend. Instead, in 2026, Kawasaki stunned the world once again by reintroducing the next-generation Ninja H2R, a bike that not only preserves the heart of its predecessor but also integrates modern materials, data-driven performance management, and lightweight hybrid assist technology to push boundaries even further. This new H2R represents the pinnacle of mechanical artistry, a bridge between human instinct and machine intelligence. It continues the H2R's legacy as a machine that isn't built for everyone, it's built for the few who dare to command it. Design and aesthetic. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is an absolute visual masterpiece, a perfect harmony of aggression, function, and aerodynamic brilliance. Its design philosophy follows Kawasaki's Sugoi and Aeroflow principles, creating a machine that looks alive even when standing still. The H2R's exterior is sculpted entirely from carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, reducing weight and increasing rigidity. The aggressive front end features a redesigned aerodynamic nose cone housing the adaptive laser headlight cluster, optimized for track visibility. The winglets, which were already iconic on the earlier H2R, have now evolved into active aero fins made from carbon titanium composite, capable of automatically adjusting their angle to optimize downforce and drag in real time. At high speeds, these fins stabilize the bike like an aircraft's ailerons, reducing front lift and improving cornering stability. The body panels are coated in a self-healing nanopaint, allowing minor scratches to vanish under heat exposure. The mirrors are replaced by digital rear-view cameras, displayed on the cockpit screen, eliminating drag while offering a panoramic view behind. The chassis, a tubular trellis frame, is finished in Kawasaki's signature high-tensile chrome molybdenum green, visible through the carbon skin, giving the H2R its skeletal, mechanical aesthetic. The tail section remains minimalistic yet sculpted, housing a slim lead strip integrated into the rear cowl. Every contour and edge serves a purpose, to manage airflow, reduce turbulence, and increase downforce. Kawasaki engineers worked alongside the company's aerospace division, employing wind tunnel testing at speeds exceeding 400 km/h to achieve aerodynamic perfection. The bike's stance, low, muscular, and predatory, exudes dominance. When viewed head-on, it's less of a motorcycle and more of a mechanical predator ready to devour the horizon. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R lies an updated version of its legendary 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine, an engineering marvel that defies convention. This hand-built powerhouse now produces a staggering 340 horsepower at 14,500 RPM, with a peak torque of 172 Nm at 12,000 RPM, making it the most powerful internal combustion motorcycle engine in production. However, that's not all. For 2026, Kawasaki has introduced a lightweight hybrid assist system derived from its MotoGP research program. A compact electric motor, integrated between the crankshaft and transmission, adds an additional 20 horsepower boost during acceleration, bringing total output to 360 horsepower when engaged in boost mode. The supercharger itself has been completely redesigned, featuring ceramic-coated impeller blades and an electronically controlled variable vane intake system that optimizes airflow across the rev range. This results in more efficient boost pressure management and instantaneous throttle response. Technology and features. The 2026 Ninja H2R is not just about raw performance, it's also a showcase of Kawasaki's technological dominance. At its core lies the Kawasaki Intelligent Dynamic Suite, KIDS, an evolved electronic ecosystem governed by a 9-axis IMU that continuously analyzes acceleration, lean angle, yaw rate, and grip. This system powers the Dynamic Traction Management, DTM, cornering ABS Pro, launch control, and wheel lift control, ensuring stability without diluting the thrill. The new Predictive Stability System, PSS, uses machine learning to anticipate rider behavior based on throttle, braking, and lean data, making micro-adjustments to throttle and suspension before instability occurs. The Showa Balance-Free Electronic Suspension, BFES, now incorporates semi-active damping control, automatically adjusting rebound and compression in real time. The bike also features a Smart Adaptive Ride Height, SARH, system, which lowers the suspension by 20 mm during stops for improved maneuverability. The cockpit features a 7-inch full-color TFT display with dual modes, track view and performance HUD, displaying data such as G-forces, boost pressure, lap timing, and lean angle. Riders can connect their smartphones via the Kawasaki Rideology Plus app, which logs telemetry, tracks performance metrics, and even allows AI-assisted tuning adjustments. The Launch Assist mode coordinates traction, throttle, and clutch to achieve perfect starts, while the Aero Control Suite automatically modifies wing angles depending on speed and crosswind conditions. The Smart Tire Monitoring System tracks real-time pressure and temperature, ensuring safety during extreme performance riding. The AI coaching feature, new for 2026, provides data-driven riding feedback after each track session, suggesting gear ratios, lean corrections, and braking optimization. Even the braking system has been enhanced with Brembo GP for RX calipers and carbon ceramic rotors, providing unmatched fade resistance. The Ninja H2R isn't just technologically advanced, it's intelligent, almost self-aware, constantly adapting to maximize performance and rider confidence. Riding experience. Riding the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is an experience that transcends mere motorcycling. It's a controlled explosion of power, precision, and adrenaline. From the moment you ignite the supercharged beast, the bike snarls to life with a thunderous roar, the impellers whine harmonizing with the deep rumble of combustion. Every vibration feels purposeful, every rev, a symphony of engineering excellence. On the track, the H2R feels surreal. The throttle response is instantaneous, catapulting you forward with relentless acceleration. 0 to 100 km/h disappears in just 2.3 seconds, and 0 to 300 km/h arrives before your mind fully registers the speed. The active winglets deploy subtly, stabilizing the front end as the world blurs around you. Despite its monstrous power, the bike remains astonishingly composed, thanks to the pricing. Owning a 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not merely a purchase, it's an initiation into an elite circle of hyperbike enthusiasts. The starting price for this mechanical masterpiece is set around $63,000, though with customization options and track accessories, it can easily climb to $75,000. Each H2R is hand-assembled in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity and craftsmanship. buyers receive not just a motorcycle, but a complete experience, including access to Kawasaki's Performance Lab, where owners receive track training and data analysis support. Compared to rivals like the Ducati Superleggera V4, BMW M1000RR Competition, and Lightning LS218, the H2R remains in a league of its own. It's not street legal, not restricted by regulations, and not designed to compete. It exists purely to demonstrate what happens when engineering ambition meets unrestrained imagination. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R stands as a monument to human ingenuity, a machine that challenges the limits of physics while reaffirming Kawasaki's dominance in high-performance engineering. It's not a bike built for practicality or convenience, it's built to inspire awe, to terrify and exhilarate in equal measure. Every bolt, every weld, every line on this motorcycle speaks of obsession, the relentless pursuit of speed and control. In an age where electric motorcycles are becoming the norm, the H2R boldly celebrates the internal combustion engine in its most extreme, most glorious form. It's a machine that doesn't compromise, it commands. For those fortunate enough to own or even witness one in motion, the 2026 H2R is not just a superbike, it's an event, an experience, a testament to what's possible when innovation knows no boundaries. The Automax verdict? The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not just the fastest motorcycle in the world, it's the most emotionally charged, the most exhilarating, and the most beautifully insane machine ever built. It is the ultimate expression of power, precision, and passion, the supercharged heartbeat of Kawasaki's engineering soul.